Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, shun the non-believers. Today we're going to go over the next few deals that are coming up. Weekday deals and weekend deals just to go over. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. We'll go over a few of these, do somewhat of a mid-dive. But don't forget, of course, anybody taking advantage of the extended parking lot sale going on right now today and tomorrow. Who's making up for their Icon, Grants, Vulcan, or Doyle? Any of the kits? What are you picking up? We went over it. We've gone over it. But extended parking lot sale, of course, going on. And then we have the next few deals rolling around. Next week's deal, which is a little bit of a, we've seen this before. We thought Harbor Freight had gotten rid of it, but we'll start here. Free hat during the week. Super coupon, free hat, $29.99. Free hat with a $29.99 purchase. This is starting Monday through Thursday, so the 15th through the 18th. It's limit one coupon per customer per day, valid in store while supplies last. Oh, they will last. The supplies will last. Receive a free hat with a minimum purchase of $29.99, excluding taxes and after applying. And then, of course, if you're ITC, which doesn't seem too much better, a free hat with any $15 purchase, essentially. So usage per customer per day, one, valid in store while supplies last. And there's no secret fancy sauce or anything. It's a free hat with a minimum $15 purchase or $30 purchase. So these are only recommended if you're already going in. So at that point, I mean, you kind of got to be a HARBRO to know when these deals are going on. But if you happen to be in Harbor Freight and you happen to spend more than $15 if you're ITC, make sure you pick up your free hat. At that point, just make sure you let them know, because they will. There's a chance they will not let you know. And as usual, double check your receipts. So this is Monday the 15th through the 18th, free hat with either super coupon or ITC. And then we have the weekend deal. The weekend deal, it's the US General days. And we talk about this as one of our reference points when we go over parking lot sales, things like that. But we'll start off with the super coupon, or the storage days coupon as they're calling it. And there's a everyone discount, and then there's a ITC discount, which is nice to see. But we'll take a look, starting with 15% off all Yukon and US General carts and roller cabinets. Bare minimum for everybody. This is our bare minimum. So 15%, it's there, it's usable, it's doable. But this is valid while supplies last, the 19th to the 21st. That's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Pre-sale included. And so for those of you who don't know, pre-sale just means you can go in, and if they are out, you can place an order in store. Coupon must be presented at time of use. 15% off all Yukon and US General carts and roller cabinets purchased. Cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. Excludes ITC. So then, US General magnetic accessories, 20%. We're there. This is in our field of range of what we want to get, and it's valid in store while supplies last, 6/19 through the 21st. Coupon must be presented at time of use. 20% off all US General magnetic accessories. So this one's exciting, but it's more exciting at the ITC level, because ITC, you're getting an extra 5% off for both the US General and Yukon carts and roller cabinets, and then 25% off, an extra 5% off for all US General magnetic accessories. So these, no coupon is required, but it is limit one usage per customer per day, valid while supplies last. Pre-sale is included. So if you're new to the channel, 20% off is solid. It's as good as the 20% off any single item. Sometimes they will have sales, like the extended parking lot sale, where they'll have deeper discounts, such as the US General 30-inch 5-door mechanics cart, which is 31% off right now. $90 off of the $290 price tag. And then the 72-inch by 22-inch US General triple bank roll cab is 23% off right now. So parking lot sales is where it's at, but they don't always go that much higher. If you want an option for everything where you're spoiled for choice, these are the ones. 20% off all Yukon and US General carts and roller cabinets. And then 25% off accessories. Again, these do go higher at times at higher discounts, but not all at once. So let's look some of those options over. First place we're going to start is the US General magnetic accessories. There's 29 items. We will sort from high to low and go over some of the options. brand new color, purple, US General 5 outlet magnetic power strip. 5 outlets, 2 USB ports, mounting holes for permanent installation, $34. But get it at 25% off. Get it down to $25.50 for the US General 5 outlet magnetic power strip with metal housing, 2 USB ports, and this is in purple, brand new color available. Then, of course, we have socket organization, the 15-slot magnetic wrench, magnetic power and air tool holder, a lot of socket organization, and this 25% off all US General magnetic accessories makes sense for the items that are over $20, which won't qualify for the 30% off of $20 and under. So these are the big ones you want to look at. $22.99 for the magnetic metric socket holders or the SAE socket holders. And you can still get a good deal at 25% off for the items below, but just know 30% off, $20 and under should be right around the corner. And that extra 5%, I don't blame you if you want to be patient for it. But of course, you got the magnetic tray screwdriver holder, tissue dispenser, the paper towel holders, different magnetic trays. The US General 25-pound magnetic hook is at $8, but for those of us who follow the dollar days that are starting on the 18th, so we do still have the old dollar days, but the new dollar days starting on the 18th, we're gonna get US General 25-pound magnetic hook down to $5. It'll be at 37% off, and of course available in purple. So just a heads up, these could fly off the shelves at 25%, but hopefully they're still there for the dollar days. And of course, the classic 6-inch magnetic parts holder at $5. But those are your US General 25% off. And we can take a brief look at the US General carts and roller cabinets, 20% off. And even look at some of the Yukon. And these are your classic ones. Of course, the 56-inch by 22-inch roll cab, getting that at 20% off is a good deal. And the US General 42 by 22-inch roll cab, $600. Saved $120. Over here, save $180. The 5-drawer mechanics cart, make sure you get that if you're gonna get it and you haven't gotten it during the parking lot sale. It's bigger discounted now during the parking lot sale. US General 34 by 23-inch bank service cart, also save $120. And then if we're looking at Yukon, not a bad discount at 20% off. They have their 46-inch 9-drawer mobile storage cabinet with solid wood top at $360, save $72. And then 36 by 18-inch 5-drawer rolling tool cabinet at $330, but you'd save $66. So just some options for you to have for the next coming deals, the weekday deals, and then the weekend deals that are coming up. If you happen to be in store Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, picking up something, make sure you pick up your free hat. But I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. These are the deals that are coming up. Let me know how your weekend is going, if you're taking advantage of the extended parking lot sale. But either way, as usual, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping, good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. We're almost at 27,000 subscribers. Nuts. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.